Hi everyone, Etienne here from Pics of Asia. This week we're having quite a bit of time on our hands. So I would like to take you on a photography trip with us. We're gonna drive through central Vietnam and show you the best locations and how we run our photography tours here in Vietnam and in Asia. Let's go! This week is, even though Vietnam is open now and is declared free of coronavirus, we're still wearing our mask because, you know, people here wear their mask. It's something they do out of respect for them and not to freak them out when we arrive somewhere. We do the same. So this whole week we may be wearing masks. I hope you can hear me. This man is really friendly. There's good action. I'm going to follow him. So what I'm doing is, this man is putting sand in the basket, salt in the basket. Instead of just having the man putting salt, because there's no one else to compose, I'm thinking I'm gonna add salt in the foreground, keep his reflection. It's gonna help me to create this really dynamic line through the diagonal and keep the reflection. I'm trying to keep 1/3 of salt, and I just need to wait for him to stand up. Salt is falling out of the basket when she picks it up. Alright, so we just stopped the car here. We saw some people working in the field. They are burning the rice straws, yes. There is a lot of smoke, there's a lot of atmosphere in the air, and it's almost sunset. I'm gonna try something else. I'm gonna go on continuous focus and face detection. And what I'm going to do is try to track his eyes, track his face. What I've done as well, because I want to focus on his face, he's got beautiful trait. I went F2 here. I really want to isolate him. Yeah, there you go, it's really nice. He needs to look in the right place. So I'm locked on his face. I'm at F2 on continuous focus, and as he looks towards the light, I try to keep my background clean. Okay, that's very good movement now as he grabs this. Ooh, the dynamic is really cool. I've got to follow him, and he's moving fast. I need to keep my composition idea. And there you go. Come on, you. I'm waiting for him to look towards the light once again. I need a good movement. Oh, yeah. The mood is really good. Look at her. I'm a little bit far away. There's a bit of contrast. So the tree behind her is very interesting too. So we're gonna try to place these together. So he's got his two buffaloes here that he's bringing home, and so we met him here in the field. and he seems very like amazed to see foreigners in his field. Yeah, I think
chưa đến ông không?
looking for coffee. This is really pretty what we can see. No, not here. No, here is better. If I wait for the woman on my right to move away a little bit to separate herself from the others and not casting her shadow on them. So it's all here, it's all happening here, but the light is not. I'm just gonna hang around here, they're busy doing their thing. If I shoot like this, I can see the man, I can see the action, but they are touching the horizon. It's a bit messy. I want to simplify my background by framing them against the water, so I will move a little higher like this. Now there's only water. I have the conical hat, the Vietnamese flag here, and I want to put them in between and fill my frame with it. That's a really cool place, yeah?
Yeah, it's not bad. It works quite nice.
Have you seen Andy?
He was back there.
I would like to take the opportunity to be in such a beautiful place to tell you a little bit about my philosophy about photography. This is gonna be some... What? Come back! Come back! This is super interesting! Come back! So what we can see here behind us is a typical rice harvest scene that they're doing today with a machine. Yeah, but a lot of people are around to help to carry the bags.
Just in case you couldn't tell where we were from all the conical hats. One of the most important things about photography in Vietnam is always coordinate your hat and your scarf. The locals really appreciate it. I'm really comfortable in this temperature. This feels great. Come to Vietnam, you'll be very comfortable, always.
place reminds me of a place we visited one time on a photography tour. Where are you going? Come back! It is sunset, almost sunset. The light is really good. We got this stunning background. We just need someone to walk around here. And there's a boy coming with a cow, which is absolutely not set up, promise. And so we're gonna put this boy and the cow, and hopefully not Queen's bag, out of the way. And we're gonna wait for them to walk here. I'm on the wide angle, so you can be really close to me. I like the feeling. I locked my exposure already on the exposure I want. I can have the flare coming in. And the only thing I need now is to focus. I will focus on the road where the boy is going to be. Anyway, I am at f8, so it will be sharp. And now I need to separate my background. So we're going to start the morning fairly simple. There is a beautiful rising sun here, a very nice mountain here, and my subject coming my way. I'm gonna place them all together. My subject mountain in the background. I can anticipate. I just have to move in the right spot, and it should work. I'm gonna get down like this so I can get the whole mountain exposed properly. Lots of contrast here, but hey, it works pretty well. By having two people in my frame, I can easily compose something more interesting, placing each person on the third, so I can balance my image. If one of them leaves, I have only one person left, and I'm thinking about framing them center in the line of the corn, the alley, with the mountains in the background. Where's Andy? So I'm walking here and I see lights on the hats. I point on the sky to my highlights. I expose my highlights and the woman goes away. Beautiful. Hey. This reminds me of something that my grandfather told me one day. In life, just come on, come on!
Etienne, what are you doing?
So I like about her that only a part of her body was in the light. As we walk in, I see only her hand is in the light. So I think it would be interesting to capture just a part of her body in the light, because my background here is much darker. It's the inside of a house. Hi, this is Etienne from Pics. Welcome to the cute moment of the day.
Perfect, wasn't it? It was amazing.
Yeah, we should come back tomorrow with some models and pointy hats.
Awesome.